is Sarah, and I have John here with me from LHPU Training Solutions, and today we want to talk to you about the importance of soft skills development. John, can you tell us a little bit about what you hear from customers as far as what they want to see in candidates that they hire?
Yes, the number one thing that customers are looking for one, is someone that can communicate what they know, but also that can think critically, can solve problems, and that can be a good member of a team. There's more than just you going on your own. Yes, companies do want that, but they also want an individual that can collaborate with others, and then also can take constructive criticism and get better on a daily basis.
Okay, so during the 6 weeks of training, there are several things that we do to help foster this. Every project that is started within the 6 weeks, you change teams. We change up all the engineers that are on a particular team to reach a certain milestone. That way our engineers that are there for training get an exposure to a variety of different walks of life, different engineering domains, different cultural backgrounds that they will be able to experience with their teammates. So not everybody is one and the same, but everybody has to figure out a way to collaboratively work to achieve a goal. So just as soon as a team might be comfortable with each other, we like to switch it up and make different teams so everybody has a variety of experiences throughout the 6 weeks. So working with different teams on the projects, but also we like to come in and break up the monotony of all the technical training, and we do some fun team building soft skills activities as well.
So as you can see, LHPU prepares you and gets you ready for the automotive space or job search. And so if that interests you, please call us, contact us at lhpu.com, or reserve your seat in the training. We're excited to work with you and look forward to help you have success in your engineering career.